the glove snap is also for soft, thin leather. And I want to show you there's something a little bit different about that, in that on the female one you have a post and a receiver, and on the male half you have the stud and the post. So there's two posts. In this case we'll do pass the small post through there. We'll put the receiver on. We'll take our driver, very carefully put it in there and hit it. And that's all there is to driving the female half. The male half, do the same thing. Put the post through the leather, put the little stud on there, and with the proper driver, put it over the stud and tap it. And we have another nice little snap.